Ever wonder how money can exist in a digital form without being duplicated or falsified? Welcome to the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. In the vast expanse of the digital universe, these two elements have surfaced as the twin pillars of a new financial revolution. The blockchain, an ingenious invention, is essentially a digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. Its decentralized nature ensures that no single entity has control, promoting transparency and security. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies, the digital assets, rely on this very technology for their existence. They are like the shimmering stars in the blockchain universe, each unique in their way and offering a multitude of possibilities. Their value stems from the trust we place in the complex mathematics and computational power that underpin the blockchain. So we've just scratched the surface of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Intrigued? Stick around for more. Imagine a world where every transaction, every move you make, is transparent and secure. That's the world blockchain technology offers. Blockchain technology, the underpinning of cryptocurrencies, is like a public ledger of every transaction that has ever taken place. It's a constantly growing chain of blocks, each block containing a list of transactions. This chain is not stored in a central location, but rather distributed across a network of computers or nodes. This decentralized nature of blockchain is what makes it extraordinarily secure. So how does it work? Well, when a transaction is made, it is grouped together in a block with other transactions that have occurred in the last 10 minutes and sent out to the entire network. The nodes then validate the transactions within the block. Once validated, the block is added to the chain, creating a permanent and unalterable record of those transactions. But what makes this process truly secure? It's the unique identifying code known as a hash that each block has. This hash is created using the information contained within the block and the hash of the previous block in the chain, linking them together. If someone tries to tamper with a transaction, it changes the hash of the block, immediately alerting the network to the anomaly. The network then rejects the fraudulent block, maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. The transparent, decentralized, and secure nature of blockchain technology makes it a potential game changer, not just for financial transactions, but for any scenario where secure and transparent data management is required. It could transform supply chain management, voting systems, record keeping, and much more by ensuring data integrity and transparency. Blockchain technology, therefore, has the potential to revolutionize not just our financial systems, but our world. So, let's continue to explore this fascinating technology as we dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies in the next scene. Blockchain technology, therefore, has the potential to revolutionize not just our financial systems, but our world. When you hear cryptocurrencies, you probably think Bitcoin. But did you know there are over 6,000 different cryptocurrencies in circulation today? Indeed, the world of cryptocurrencies is as diverse as it is fascinating. In essence, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual forms of currency that use cryptography for security. This makes them immune to counterfeiting, a significant edge they have over traditional forms of money. But what gives these digital assets their value? It's not gold or any other tangible asset, but rather the trust and consensus among the network of users. The value of a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin comes from the belief that others will accept it as a form of payment. This is why the prices of cryptocurrencies can be volatile, reflecting changes in this consensus of value. Now you may be wondering, if they're all just digital money, why are there so many different cryptocurrencies? Well, that's because each one serves a unique purpose. For instance, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, isn't just a medium of exchange. It's also a platform for creating and executing smart contracts and distributed applications without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. Then we have Ripple, a digital payment protocol that enables fast, low-cost international money transfers. This is incredibly useful for banks and other financial institutions who typically have to rely on the slow, outdated SWIFT system for international transfers. And let's not forget about tokens like BAT, or Basic Attention Token, which aims to change the way we interact with online advertising by directly rewarding users for their attention, while providing advertisers with a more accurate and detailed user attention data. These are just a few examples. There are cryptocurrencies designed for everything from privacy like Monero and Zcash to decentralized finance or DeFi like Chainlink and Uniswap. Cryptocurrencies therefore offer a new way of transferring, storing, and even earning value, all underpinned by the power of blockchain technology. So the next time you hear cryptocurrencies, remember it's so much more than just Bitcoin. So, we've traveled through the intricate world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, but what does all this mean for you? Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. We started by unveiling the mystery of blockchain, a technology that's much like a public ledger, transparent and tamper-proof. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies, ensuring that each transaction is secure and verifiable. We've seen how blockchain technology works, how it's decentralized and distributed across a network of computers. Each block, containing a list of transactions, is added to the chain in a way that's permanent and unalterable. This ensures the integrity and security of the data. But blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's a revolutionary technology with potential to transform various sectors, from finance to healthcare, from supply chain management to voting systems. The possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. We also delved into the world of cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. These aren't just alternatives to traditional money. They're a whole new way of thinking about financial transactions. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others have brought about a seismic shift in the financial world, challenging the traditional banking system. And the future? Well, it's digital. The adoption of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is increasing at a rapid pace. Businesses are exploring blockchain for secure transactions. Governments are considering digital currencies. It's a digital revolution, and we're right in the middle of it. So, what does this mean for you? It means you're part of this revolution. Whether you're a tech enthusiast getting your hands dirty with blockchain coding, or just an average Joe curious about Bitcoin, you're part of a global shift towards a more transparent, secure, and decentralized world. The world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is vast and complex, but now you're well on your way to understanding it. Remember, the future is digital and you're part of it.